I'm sure you can remember that moment where a level failed and then you got angry and then you walked away. But have you ever asked yourself what happens after a level fails? I repeat, have you ever asked yourself what happens after a level fails? That's what we're going to be talking about today. I'd like to welcome you to the channel CSA Forex, where we talk about how to trade the Forex market the proper way. Great. So today we're going to be looking at support and resistance flip zones. Yes, support and resistance flip zones. And if you look at this chart that we have in front of us, I'm going to show you the flip zones. They're called flip zones for a reason. Called flip zones because when a level fails, it flips to the other side and then acts as the support or act as the resistance. Let me give you a quick example. Assuming you want to buy now, right? You want to buy, obviously you're going to be looking at buying at the support. And when that support fails, and then price breaks that support, most times this is something that traders lack to pay attention to because the patience by this time is out of the window because of the losses they've already had. But when the support fails, it flips and then now acts as resistance. That means that there's still opportunity to jump into that market. And then also, when a resistance fails, it will flip and then act as what? And act as support. So looking at this chart that we have in front of us, if you look now, clearly this was a downtrend. So people would have been paying more attention to, oh, I want to sell. Now, price came to this area here. As you can see, this is an area of supply, a supply zone, right? And from this supply zone, you would have loved to have sold, especially when price got to this point. But assuming you entered here and then it failed. Yes, assuming you entered here and then the price failed. What would you have done? Most times traders get angry and then they walk away. But then after it failed over here, look at what happened. It came back and now acted as what? Acted as support. It now became a support demand zone for you to now go long and then buy. Don't forget, you wanted to sell initially because of this area here, which was a resistance supply zone. And you can see we have some small instances of where it acted as resistance. But then once it failed, people got tired, people left it alone. And over here, this was where it failed after it broke out to the upside. But then if you were patient enough, after breaking out, it came back to retest here and then it pushed higher again. As it pushed higher, it came back again to another area of what? To another area of resistance. And from this resistance point here, you can see it had a little reaction here. And what happened? It broke out to the upside, and then this again would have gotten any trader over here tired, frustrated. You'd have walked away. But then look at what happened. It came back and then acted as a flip zone. And then what happened? It now pushed back up. So this is what we're trying to say. We're trying to tell traders today that when a level fails, do not be in a hurry to shut down your system. Do not get angry. Do not, rush to place the wrong trade, but patiently wait. That level most likely is going to act as a flip zone. Yes, as a flip zone. That's what we're talking about, support and resistance flip zone, which simply means that when the support fails, it will most likely act as a flip zone, act as a resistance. And then when a resistance level fails, it will most likely act as a flip zone to now act as a what? As a support. So this is what we are just talking about, just to help you to understand what happens in the market when a level fails, right? So now with what we have discussed, if this video was helpful, if you learned something from the video today, all you have to do, please do this now. Give this a like, click on the like, comment below with any question that you have further or any further explanation. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new or you are here again to the channel but you are yet to hit the subscribe button. And of course, share this video. There's a share button at the bottom as well. Share it with those that you feel would be interested in learning, because we are all here for a major reason. We're all here because we want to make money. So if you want to understand more with respect to the support and resistance trading strategy, because this is a simple but yet powerful strategy, if you want to learn more, there's a free course in the description below. You'll see the link there. Click on it. What the free course talking about how to draw support and resistance, how to trade it, even using different time frames. You could be either a scalper, day trader, swing, or position trader. It's up to you. But you need to know how to draw the levels, and of course it will help you to trade it appropriately. Thank you, everybody. Do enjoy the rest of your day, and God bless. Cheers.